get three good news for now this morning. You can now write and run HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, and PHP code with your mobile phone. So if you don't have laptop, no problem. You can do it conveniently with your mobile phone. And what you just need, you need an editor. And one of the best editor you can use now your Accord editor. With your Accord editor, in together with your Termux, you go fit run even your backend, which is Python and PHP. So there's no excuse that you don't have laptop. You can do it conveniently with your phone. Even when you are moving to, if you are going to somewhere and you are waiting for somebody, you can just be playing with those codes. Another thing is that after you don't finish your project, you can even upload them with that same Accord editor to GitHub. That's not the first. The second good news be say AI don't make everything dey easier. So that means you fit create an app within a short period of time. But the thing be say you go need basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, or PHP for you to successfully do am. Because if you not get the basic knowledge, na anything when AI give to you, na you go take. And AI no go fit give you 100% of wetin you want. So you now you go edit am to 100%. Then the third good news be say I don organize tutorial wey be say e dey cover the basic part of this program. Wetin you just need with the support of AI to create any app of your choice. So the tutorial covers HTML, CSS for now. Then after that, the next one are JavaScript, next Python, and the last one PHP. So what we need to do? First of all, I need to show you how to use your mobile phone to take write this program. So in other words, make we see how we could take set up our mobile phone so that we fit use our mobile phone anywhere or anytime to take learn how to code in any of this language. So make we see. So let's see how we can set up our mobile phone so that we'll be able to write and run our code right in our mobile phone. So first of all, you have to download the Accord editor. Now we'll be using the Accord editor only for now because our focus now for just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So to download the Accord editor, you go to your Play Store. When you reach your Play Store, just the way you search for program normally, you type Accord editor. So when you type Accord editor and click search, you go see this symbol. You see this symbol so that you not go download fake one. So if you see this one, you click on anomaly and then you click install. So after installing, the next thing is to click open. You know, say my own had already installed them, so that's why I get open here already. Like the next one, you see uninstall. So you click open and it takes you straight to the editor. So my own they load now, so I dey wait time. My editor don't appear. Almost done yet. So this is my editor. So now for your own, you not go see any code. You fit see blank editor like this. You get? See blank editor. That's you just blank page like this. So when you see this blank page, all what you just need to do now to create your file. So more assume so we want create HTML file. So you just come to this vertical dot. So now take note, my screen is wider than yours. I deliberately make them so that you will see my screen very well. So I'll just click on that vertical dot and then I will take new file to create my file. So more say the file we want create, more use something like lesson 1, right? So after taking lesson 1 dot what? HTML. That one they very important to show you they create HTML file. You click OK. So now your file done ready for code. So you fit write your code here. So mine just paste this code as me say we write a code. So after we write the code, the next thing is to run the code. So if we come here, this play symbol here, we just click on it. Dey your phone as well. So you go click on and it will take us to the browser. So you get in-app browser, you get external browser. I think for now we dey use the in-app browser. So you see the result of the program, hello world. Then if I want to go back to continue with my code, maybe to do other editing, I'll just click on this arrow and it take me back to my file lesson 1. So simple as that. So since you understand this part now, the next tutorial now to kick off with HTML. Thank you.